Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making red lobster cheddar bay biscuits. Enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need flour, baking powder, cheddar cheese, butter, buttermilk, salt, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and parsley. We're going to begin by shredding 1 cup of cheddar cheese. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then whisk those ingredients together until combined. Next, add 1 cup of buttermilk and 4 tablespoons of melted butter into your dry ingredients and fold in. Add 1 cup of cheddar cheese and fold in. Scoop dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 400 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes. Now we're going to make a garlic butter to top the biscuits. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, garlic powder, and parsley. Then mix. Brush garlic butter on top of biscuits. And there you have it, red lobster cheddar bay biscuits. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.